Good day, everyone. Today, we will be discussing writing directions using signal words. Together, let's make learning English fun and easy. Directions may be given in doing something, how to make simple things or activity, how to use things or objects, and how to find places. In other words, directions are guides. Once followed properly, they give positive results. Steps in proper hand washing. First, go to your kitchen and find the sink. Second, wet your hands with warm water. Next, get a soap to get rid of germs. Then, scrub front and back of your hands while singing the song Happy Birthday to You. Afterward, rinse with water. Finally, dry your hands with a clean towel. Directions provide a guide on how to perform an action or to finish an action. Giving and following directions are not only used when locating a certain spot. It can also be found when drinking a doctor's prescribed medicine, accomplishing simple household chores that your parents ask you to do, performing a simple science experiment, and any other activities. Hence, directions are very important because they tell people the things they need to know and how to do a certain task properly in an orderly manner. Here are some suggestions to follow when writing directions. Directions must always be clear. The sentences must come in an order that makes sense. Make sure to include all necessary information. Use signal words like first, next, then, afterward, lastly, and finally. Let's do this. Number the sentences in the order a sandwich is made. First, she spread peanut butter on one slice of bread. Next, she spread jelly on another slice of bread. After spreading the jelly, she put the two slices of bread together. Finally, she ate it. Let's do this. Fill in the blanks with the correct signal words to complete the directions. Choose your answers from the given choices inside the parentheses. How to make a rainbow picture. It is fun to make a rainbow picture. First, prepare the materials like bond paper, crayons, and a pencil with sharp point. Second, use crayons other than black to make a design. Third, cover the design with black crayons. Next, use a pencil to draw a picture and to remove some black crayon. Lastly, hang your picture on your wall. How to prepare calamansi juice. It is easy to make calamansi juice. First, wash 5 calamansi fruits. Second, cut them in the middle crosswise. Third, squeeze the cut calamansi into a glass. Next, remove the seeds. Lastly, add sugar and water and stir well until sugar dissolves. Now, you can enjoy a nutritious drink. Let's do this. Fill the blanks with the correct signal words to complete the directions. Nolly has skin rashes on his left arm. He went to see the doctor and he was given a bottle of ointment. This is what the doctor told him. First, wash the affected parts with soap and water. Second, shake the bottle very well. Third, apply the ointment thinly on the affected part and wrap it with a piece of clean cloth. Lastly, keep the bottle tightly closed. Let's do this. Look at the pictures and write 2 to 3 steps directions using signal words. How to make a paper collage. Making paper collage is fun activity. First, collect pictures from magazines and cut into different shapes made from colored paper. Second, get a large sheet of drawing paper. Third, on the large sheet of paper, place the paper shapes and pictures in a pattern you like. Next, glue the paper shapes and pictures the way you place them on the paper. Lastly, hang your collage up on a wall. This will surely show how creative you are. Let's do this. Look at the pictures and write 2 to 3 step directions using signal words. First, measure the desired amount of rice to be cooked. Second, put the rice in the cooking pot and wash it. Third, place the cooking pot on a stove. Next, turn on the gas stove. Lastly, check to see if the rice is already cooked. Let's do this. Look at the pictures and write 2 to 3 steps directions using signal words. The dentist said that you should brush your teeth at least 3 times a day. You have a younger brother who wants to brush his teeth too. It is his first time to brush his teeth all by himself. You know that he needs assistance because he is still young. List down below your directions on how to brush the teeth properly. First, put a small amount of toothpaste. Next, brush your teeth using up and down stroke. Then, brush the surface of your tongue. Finally, rinse out your mouth using water. Let's do this. Create your own paper airplane. List down below the steps on how to make a paper airplane. First, fold the paper into half vertically. Second, unfold the paper and fold each of the top corners into the center line. Third, fold the top edges into the center line. Next, Fold the wings down, matching the top edges up with the bottom edge of the body. Lastly, add double stick tape to the inside the body. Let's do this. Read and understand the situation carefully. Your cousin, who is currently living in Batangas City, sent you a message through Facebook Messenger. She was telling you about all the beautiful places that you can find in her province. She also heard about a nice place in Quezon which is called Kamay ni Jesus. She was hoping if you could give her the directions so that she could visit that place one day. Write down below your response to her on how to get to Kamay ni Jesus. Take note of the signal words that you need to use in giving directions. First, take the South Luzon Expressway and exit at Calamba exit. Second, pass through the towns of Calamba, Los Baños, Pila, Pagsanhan, and then to the town of Lucban. Third, you will notice that the Lucban is the first town in Quezon. Next, continue to travel for Kamay ni Jesus Shrine is 1 kilometer away from Lucban town proper. Lastly, when you finally reach your destination, you must enjoy and feel the nature of the place. Let's do this. Read the following topics. Choose one and write the instructions on how to do it. Write the directions in paragraph form using signal words. How to clean an aquarium. How to fry an egg. How to transplant seedling from a plant box to the ground. We will going to choose the how to fry an egg. First, heat the cooking oil in the pan. Second, crack the egg into bowls. This way, you can inspect for broken shells and yolks. Third, put the eggs to the pan and put some salt. Next, check the egg if it is already cooked. Lastly, get the egg and served. I understand that it is important to understand a direction given to you. I realize that directions provide a guide on how to perform an action. I need to learn to listen attentively when someone is giving me a directions so that I can make a correct plans and actions. Thank you for watching. Till our next English lesson. Goodbye.